In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect social accounts in Hubspot. By the end, you'll have your social profiles linked so you can schedule posts, track performance, and manage everything right from your Hubspot portal. Let's start inside your Hubspot account. First, look for the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click that to open your settings. Once you're in the settings area, move your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. From here, find the section labeled Marketing, then click on Social underneath it. This is where all of your social connection settings live. Now that you're on the social settings page, you're ready to start the connection process. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button labeled Connect Account and click it. A window will appear asking which social network you want to connect. You can choose from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, or YouTube. Click on the network you'd like to set up first. You can repeat this process later for other platforms. After you select a network, you'll be redirected to that platform's login or authorization screen. Here, you need to enter your usual social media credentials, just like you would if you were signing in directly. Make sure that you're logging into the correct business account, especially if you manage multiple brands or profiles. Once you're logged in, the platform will show a permissions screen. This is where it explains what Hubspot will be able to do, such as publish posts or access analytics. To continue, click the button that says Allow, Authorize App, or Continue, depending on the network. If you don't approve these permissions, Hubspot won't be able to properly connect or manage that account. Next, you'll see a list of the specific business pages or profiles associated with that login. This is useful if you manage more than one page under a single account. Check the boxes next to the business pages or profiles you want to connect to Hubspot. Take a moment to confirm you've selected only the profiles you actually plan to manage. When you're confident with your selection, click Connect to confirm. Finally, Hubspot will ask you to set the reporting scope for that connection. You'll see an option to choose between All Sources or Hubspot Only. All Sources means your reports will include data from all activity on that account, while Hubspot only limits reporting to content published through Hubspot. Choose the option that best matches how you want to measure your results, then click Done to finalize everything. Your social account is now connected and ready to use inside Hubspot.